Let us see what is the meaning of geometric series. What is its property? A sequence in which every term is obtained by multiplying or dividing a definite number with the preceding number is known as geometric series. So any series instead of sequence, we can also say that it is series. What is the difference between series and sequence? So only thing is we have to add all the terms of the sequence. It will convert it to series. Here, if we, in case of geometric series, what we have to do, we have to multiply or divide a definite number with the preceding number, which is called common ratio. Suppose the first term is A and common ratio is R, then general geometric series is given by A plus AR square plus AR cube up to AR to the power n minus 1. Here A is called first term, and if we divide AR by AR by AR square upon AR cube by AR square, we will get R. This R is called common ratio. What is the nth term of this geometric series? So similarly, this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and this is what? It is the nth term of the given series. The nth term of the series Tn is given by Tn is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1. Let us take one example to find out the nth term of the given geometric series. We have given a geometric series 2, 4, 8, 16, or 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16, and so on. We can write down like this. This is sequence, and if we add the plus sign, this will convert it to series. Now, here, what is the first term? First term is 2. First term is 2. And what is the common ratio? 4 by 2, 8 by 4, 16 by 8, which is equal to 2. So common ratio is 2 as well as the first term is also 2. Therefore, Tn is equal to 2 times of A equal to 2. The value of R is 2, 2 to the power n minus 1. If we use that part, 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power n minus 1. So 2 to the power 1 plus n minus 1. This minus 1 and plus 1 will cancel, and we have 2 to the power n. This is the nth term of the given geometric series. Let us find out the sum of first n terms of geometric series. Let first term of a geometric series is A and common ratio is R. Then sum of first n terms Sn is given by Sn is equal to A times of 1 minus R to the power n whole divided by 1 minus R. Now here we are getting the two formula which is based on what is the value of R. If R is less than 1, then this will be 1 minus R to the power n. And if R is greater than 1, then it should be R to the power n minus 1. We can apply this formula when we are able to get what is the value of R. Now, sum of infinite terms is given by, this is the first formula is for first n terms. But if we have given an infinite term in the geometric series, then this formula is converted to A upon 1 minus R. Let us take one example. Find the sum of n terms of the series. Now we have a geometric series 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27. We have to find out the sum of n terms of this series. Here A is equal to 1, R which is equal to 3, right? How to get? So 3 by 1, 9 by 3, 27 by 3, 9, sorry. So if we got 3 upon 1 is 3, 9 upon 3 is 3, 27 upon 9 is 3. Here, the value of R is greater than 1. So we apply this formula. Sn is equal to A is given by A is 1, R is 3, 3 to the power n minus 1 whole divided by 3 minus 1. The answer, if we calculate this 1 into 3 to the power n minus 1 is 3 to the power n minus 1 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. This is the sum of first n term of the given series. Now, if you want to find out what is the sum of infinite terms of this series, so we can apply this formula, and it is nothing but S infinity, which is equal to A is equal to 1 and R equal to 1 minus 3, which is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So actually here we can calculate when the value of R is less. Now here we are getting the negative minus 1 by 2. If the value of R is positive, so we can take it is 1 by 2. Thank you.